Hi guys, Metalhead here, and the other week I posted a video about the impact of Queen Elizabeth II dying and King Charles coming to the throne, and the impact that will have on the coins from the Royal Mint. And I was just browsing through earlier on the Royal Mint website, and I saw something quite interesting actually. So you'll see that the 2023 Britannias in gold, silver, probably in platinum somewhere around here. Oh, there we go. Look, a platinum bar and a platinum coins. So gold, silver, and platinum. They've been announced, and there's some updated information on how they're going to work this transition, because what you can see, hopefully, yeah, there we go. So this is the 2023 1 ounce Britannia silver coin, but the Queen does still feature on the coin. Now, there's a bit more information on that down here somewhere, if I can get to it. So you can see here that there's going to be a limited production run of the coins with Queen Elizabeth on them, and then Prince, or King as it is now, Charles, will feature on the coins after that point. And there's different theories I've heard. I think it's probably fair and accurate that actually the Royal Mint had already started producing a lot of these coins before the Queen passed away. So they have, you know, a bulk of these ready to go. So that's almost certainly the reason why they're doing this. I'll probably get one. It's quite unique in a way, actually. The fact that, you know, the Queen isn't actually the monarch anymore, or the head of state, but she will still feature on a coin. You know, technically a year after, or the year after she died. Who knows how long and how many of these coins are available, so how long you'll be able to get your hands on these. But I'm going to buy one of these, and I'll also, I'm sure, like many people, I'll be buying the Prince or King, I keep saying that, King Charles version when it comes out. That's all it was, guys. Hopefully that's a useful little update. As and when I see other bits and bobs, I'll upload a video just to talk about them. Cheers for watching, guys. Happy stacking.